David, so I just wanted to ask you a few questions about how your solar experience has been going. Why did you decide to go solar?
Well, decided to go through solar because there was a choice of paying the electric company the rest of my life or paying for solar for, a few years. So
Nice,
that's why I did it.
nice. And how would you say your experience has been going so far?
It's been doing good. I could have used a few more solar panels, but I put on my roof's full, so I really couldn't put any more on.
Oh, okay. Well, that's really cool. Now, would you recommend anyone to go with greenhouse systems?
Oh yeah, Greenhouse System has been excellent company to work with. They were always there when I called them, and they tried to stay ahead of any problems that might arise.
Perfect. Perfect. I love to hear that. Awesome. Well, all right, David. Thank you so much for your time today. And I really appreciate this testimonial.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.